Hello students, Unit 5 Hobbies. My hobby poem 4 Standard English Notes Part 1. Read and answer orally. First one. Two things are compared. What are they? Answer. The two things are the sky and the heavens. Second one. What is the enchanting sound? Answer. The happy singing of birds is the enchanting sound. Third one. What is the hobby of the speaker? Answer. Sketching is the hobby of the speaker. Fourth one. The speaker says he sits carelessly away because he loves nature. Fifth one. The speaker says the world is so peaceful and so serene. Now write the answers for the questions given above. Teacher says these words, listen, then say the words aloud. Short shell, cheek, fish, stitch, catch, match, shoe, flesh, cherry, rich, rush, ship, chair, mesh, shine. Divide the words into two groups. The first group has words with SH sound and the second with CH sound. Write them in parts A and B. Some examples are given. A and B boxes. In A box, SH sound, SHINE, shine, SHOE, shoe, FLESH, flash, SHORT, short, RUSH, rush, MESH, mesh, SHIP, ship, SHELL, shell, MESH, mesh, FISH, fish. In B box, CH sound words. CHERRY cherry, RICH rich, MATCH match, CHAIR chair, CHEEK cheek, STITCH stitch, CATCH catch. Sing and enjoy. There is a lovely nest, a lovely, lovely nest. The nest is in the tree. The tree is in the park. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the tree to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. For each word, four more words are given. Circle the word which means the same as the given word. One has been done for you. Sketch. Right answer is draw. Enchanting. Right answer is attractive. Cherished. For cherished, right answer is desired. Serene. Serene means calm. CALM, calm. Second mean complete each of the following sentences with the right word. These words are given in brackets but their spellings are jumbled. First one, the ink is as red as blood, blood, blood. Second one, the birds are happy singing. Third one, sketching is my hobby. Fourth one, so now I lie here drawing. Fifth one, this word is my cherished love. Third main, identify the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Make a list of the words in your notebook. One is given. Sound found. Away play. Scene serene. First one, sound found, round, bound, park, shark, mark, bark. Third one, nest, west, chest, rest. Teacher reads the lesson, listen with your book closed. Teacher reads it again, listen with your book open. Good hobbies. Read and write. A short paragraph on Sir C.V. Raman is given, but the paragraph is incomplete. Supply appropriate words and complete the paragraph. Raman was good at studies. His friends used to make colorful kites, but during free time, Raman would go for a long walk. Besides, his father would tell him interesting stories. Of all the subjects of study, Raman liked physics most. Now complete each sentence under each picture. First one, push chair. The boy is pushing a chair. Second picture, mix coffee. A woman mixing coffee. Third one, dry plate. A girl dry the plate. Sweep floor. A girl sweep the floor. Fill in the blanks in the balloons with their opposites. One has been done for you. Good, bad, smart, dull, friend, enemy, love, hate, long, short, new, old, hard, soft, sweet, bitter. Second main, identify the underlined words in the following sentences as action words or naming words. One has been done for you. First one, I park my car near the gate. Action word. There is a park near my house. Naming word. I am going to buy a book. Naming word. Teacher told us to book a ticket for the train journey. Action word. Third one, I comb my hair daily. Action word. My sister carries a comb in her bag. Naming word. Fourth one, Geeta got 2 gold rings on her birthday. Naming word. Our school attender rings the bell. Action word. Fifth one, my dad bought me a new dress. Naming word. I dress myself carefully before I go out. Action word. Main B. Now classify the above sentences in 2 columns. Action words, verb, naming words, noun. Write more. Look at the clues and complete the sentences. One has been done for you. Then write a paragraph based on them. First one, Pawan, I, friends. Pawan and I are friends. Second one, I like drawing. Pawan likes singing. I like drawing, but Pawan likes singing. Third one, usually draw pictures nature. Usually I draw the pictures of nature. Fourth one, Pawan film songs well. Pawan sings film songs well. Fifth one, all students us like. All students likes us. Main B. Now classify the above sentences in 2 columns. Action words, verb, naming words, noun. I park my car near the gate. Action word. There is a park near my house. Naming words. Teacher told us to book a ticket for the train journey. Action word. I am going to buy a book. Naming word. I comb my hair daily. Action words. My sister carries a comb in her bag. Naming words. Our school attender rings the bell. Action word. Geeta got 2 gold rings on her birthday. Naming words. myself carefully before I go out. Action words. My dad bought me a new dress. Naming verbs.